For today's vlog, someone messaged us to visit a place, like a Japan place. It's just near here in Pasay. Parang, no, it's not near.
Sa Pasay, I think. Sa Pasay.
Di ba Pasay so malayo?
No, dyan lang ata sa MOA.
And you know how I love so much Japan. Everything about Japan, I love to go. So I will go there to check what there is. We already saw some pictures and some videos. According to those videos, parang maganda. Parang talaga Japan.
Nakita ko rin siya. Ano siya, Japan team yung lugar niya. Pero para siyang mall.
Parang mall. Kasi may aircon. The best thing is that there is aircon.
Yeah, so
sana may aircon talaga.
Sa loob siya.
Preparing Sophie's food. Putting her milk here. This powder. Lagayan so that it's easy to put in her bottle.
Dalawa lang ba lagi mong binabaon kay Sophie?
Dalawa no?
Dalawang servings ng...
No, I put all whole. Because,
lahat yan.
Di ba I'm clumsy? Sometimes I think like, what if it will spill? What if the milk too cold? Too hot?
Okay.
Like
so
parang ganun. So
extra.
I always bring extra. I will forget.
Honey, alam mo ba yung ano? Nakailang binong ano?
6. I know that you will disturb me. You always do that. Bakit lumilipad bata sa likod? Her backpack, I'm already putting her stuff. There's pouch her of her diapers and damit. And Sophie actually have a Sophie have also Japan's team damit. Like parang yukata na ito, di ba? Parang shorts. It's yukata. Yeah, but shorts yukata. So Eugene is already prepared.
Para siyempre
Eugene prepared. Sophie now will be prepared, and then I'm always the last. I'm always the last to be prepared. We still didn't eat. So now it's also lunchtime, so I already prepared some food to eat because if not, we will get there and we will be so hungry.
Yan yung technique. Kasi pag gutom ka, bibilin mo lahat kahit di mo maubos.
Yes. Kahit you don't really want it. And I'm like that. Before even going grocery, I will also gonna eat.
Kahit
snack.
Madalas kasi dati pag lalabas kami, gutom na gutom kami pag lalabas kami. Kaya pagpunta namin doon, dahil gutom kami, o-orderin namin, napakarami namin o-orderin.
Tapos
pero hindi rin naman namin makakain.
And parang you feel like you wasted money. Like, so greedy. It's us. We have a bit dumplings here. Without sauces. This is Russian dumplings.
Tara. Sophie, dami mong ano ha. Tingnan mo ni Sophie. May mga bakat.
I don't know where to go.
Dito.
You don't want to put her here?
Ikaw nag-check nito hindi mo alam kung saan dadaan.
Oy, me and the Anans are not good friends.
Sige, diretso. Parang nakita ko lang kasi yung ano, may nakita ako sa TikTok Honey, saan ka punta? Uy.
Sabi mo diretso.
Dito ata, ikaw na kasi mauna, ako nangahawak nito. Dito, saan ka punta?
Ikaw na.
Dito, ayan, tinurukan. Ayan, so ito itsura niya pala. Pero may inaayos pa dito, di pa ata kompleto. Bago lang ba to? Amoy construct pa
Let's put some in the stroller. Can you tally her, honey?
Gagala tayo, gagala.
Ready? Yeah, you can wear this free yukata.
Do you have ID?
Yeah. Hello? What's needed to wear? Just ID?
Yes, ma'am. Valid ID and receipt. You need to order.
Kailangan umorder muna.
Any store. Si Septa ko.
Nagtatagalog din yan. Oo. Kailangan muna namin.
Ako si ma'am.
Baka nakita niya na sa YouTube.
Okay.
So, kailangan muna namin umorder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So, sige, order.
Where?
Kahit saan dito?
Okay, thank
sige,
you.
sige.
Order what? Food?
Yeah, food.
So
Hindi
it's not
ka-
really so free. Kailangan umorder something. Pero mura siguro. So it's, kahit ano you think you can order, di ba?
Yeah, kahit ano daw, edi umorder tayo ng kahit ano. Hanap muna tayo. Tapos
Maganda
mamaya,
already.
ikot natin sila.
Okay.
Oh, pero nakikita nyo naman habang naglalakad tayo.
Yes.
Lahat ng tao dito nakayukata. Yeah. Nasira yung ano mo.
Ayan, mga pre, meron takoyaki. So that's what we're gonna order first. Yeah, 2 portion of takoyaki.
Ano daw ang flavor?
Octopus, okay, octopus. 2 portion. 2 order. You need the ID to wear. Tapos,
ID mo, nasan ID mo? Kailangan i-follow po muna namin. Sige, follow daw muna. May receipt ka na bumili ka dito. Follow page para makasuot ka ng free yukata. Ikaw, nauna ka nang nakadamit no?
Can you higa that?
Higa? Okay. Kunti na lang, wala ka na masyadong pagpipilian.
Walang natira.
Bagay Nakapagsuot ka na ba niyan before? Di ba may mga ano kayo? Di ba sa Lithuania,
but I didn't wear those.
Hindi kayo nag-wear ng ganyan?
The year that it happened, I was not able to wear it.
Bagay sa iyo
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Ako naman, ate, paano?
Ikaw na. Bagay to you also.
Really? Bagay na bagay, may hapunan
Yeah,
sa
very
tayong
bagoy. Ba't ito kadataon?
Hirapan ako maglakad kasi
There is like these stones.
hindi, masyadong parang maliit. Kasi pag humahakbang ako, malaki ako humakbang.
Yeah, for you,
May
lalaki.
kainan dito, sorry, we're close.
Wait, taga lang.
Anong nangyari?
Uy,
Hindi kasi uso stroller sa Japan. Pero talaga tayo nasa Japan, no? Lahat ng tao
you know, like
nakayukata.
Japan's festivals? Like summer festival or any festival,
yeah, yung mga
like
ganon.
there is like many food stalls. I want to try something. I want to check if they have something like talaga Japanese food, like for festival. Maybe they have.
Instagrammable lahat ng ng bawat
Yes,
place.
there is so many places to take picture. May spaghetti pa.
Spaghetti.
Maybe they have this Japanese spaghetti.
Meron ba nun?
You look so cool.
Me?
Look, yeah. Like with this lamp, it's like you are in Japan. It's so
Really?
cool.
Nasanay ako, may wala pa lang bulsa to, no? Bulsa ba? Dapat dinala ko yung samurai ko eh.
Pose,
Yung
honey,
katana
pose.
ko. Anong pose?
Like, yung usok na. Let's go. I want this. That's what I know.
Filipino spaghetti.
No, not Filipino. There is Japanese spaghetti. This is also not Japanese.
It's not Japanese.
Ayan, honey, here, this. This is what should we try.
Sige.
This is like a street food, Japanese.
Ikot muna tayo. At least alam na natin.
Ikot pa?
Bakit gusto mo ng
Sige.
Gusto mo na magstay? Ito, Japan cuisine nakalagay.
Honey, it's ramen. It's ramen. It's ramen.
May menu po kayo?
Ito lang po, sir.
Yan lang po.
Ito. Honey, look. Look.
Join us January 8.
Live performances, goldfish scooping, sakura
goldfish
camping,
scooping,
origami experience.
Sayang.
Dapat we went on 18th.
January 18 pala.
Ayan, meron pa sila camera dito. Meron sila map dito.
You are here.
We are here.
Ba't ganun? You are here. Dapat may daan dito. Walang daan dito eh. Magpipicture-picture lang daw muna kami. Kasi dahil 30 minutes lang yung renta nito, doon na namin uubusin yung oras namin sa 30 minutes na yun. Ito dito.
Hey, butiga lang. It's honey.
What?
Looks like I'm your maid.
What made?
Like you are how they call this, like prints? Wow! 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 Wow!
Para tayo nasa Japan lang, you know?
You're like a samurai. And look there.
Saan eh?
Eugene is like for me from this movie. This Shogun, remember this movie? This foreigner that is trying to be like
Yung foreigner na ano. Ba't di naman ako ano ah? Di naman
barbarian,
ako white. Di
barbarian.
naman ako white eh.
No, but look,
Mas
look.
mukha pa rin ako
No.
Japanese Asian ako eh.
Hindi, parang barbarian.
Ikaw yun. Kasi white ka eh. Yun nga lang, babae ka. Hindi ko alam kung napanood nyo na yun mga pre. Bakit? Kunin mo na yung take out.
I'm picturing you because I like how you look like.
Really?
Yeah.
Kunin mo na yung take out natin. Kunin mo na sa kanila yung take out. Kunin mo na sa kanila yung take out.
What is that? It's not real. You can touch it. Are we visible?
Hindi.
May usog.
Ito yung napili namin. Nakainin.
Large.
Yummy.
Give
Sorry.
some bottle.
Ano ba yan? Fake naman yan, di ba?
Some is bottle there. Ito, sausawan. Like this, mga pre.
Ano ba to?
It's like fish cakes. Every kinds of fish cakes. And there is sausawan. Like this, like shabu-shabu, you know, we went before. And then they have like this soup, mga pre. This is fish-based soup. They always eat it in winter in Japan, I saw.
Yung ganito?
Yeah. Or there is like a day when they eat it at these festivals. Parang we went to Japan, you know, like Japan festival. And always like there is usok like that.
Kasi parang ano eh, parang medyo kulang pa eh. Marami pang close. Na mga kusin dito. Tapos yung rooftop nila hindi pa bukas. Tingin ko kasi ang pinakamaganda dito kung magkakaroon talaga sila. Hindi lang pagkain eh. Yung mga laro-laro na sa festival mo lang makikita.
Yes, I think they will have like that.
Katulad
kind of
nun yung ano, fish scooping.
Yeah, and also
Mga
there is
ganon.
sakura there. And also it's not only Japanese food here. There is also Chinese, something Taiwanese, I think.
Mix yung cuisine.
Mixed Asian.
Let's go.
You put the food spiciness.
Yeah.
Okay?
Kasi saan po namin lalagay ito? Sige, thank you.
Honey?
Your phone.
Dito ka pala. Thank you. Okay, let's go,
Let's
buddy.
go. Medyo maingay lang ng konti dahil halo-halo yung tugtog.
Yeah, may Korean, may Japanese, may anime.
Oo. Hindi siya yung iisa lang tugtog sa lahat na pinupuntahan mo. Bawat store kasi may kanya-kanya parang patugtog.
Sorry. Parang hindi mo gets.
Nagets ko.
Wait, tama na yun.
Ha? Sige. Bilis. Akin na.
Sumayang na po. Bebe.
Mauna ka na magsole. Balik mo na. Oy, balik mo na rin damit mo.
Sa akin yan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Tara.
Okay. Let's do
Thank
money.
you, Kateki daw.
My favorite. Thank you, Kateki.
Pagod na bagsak. Sa labas. Siguro mga pre, hanggang dito na lang yung vlog namin. And maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa amin dun sa pinuntahan nating Gala Park. Siguro, kung may alam kayo next time na medyo malapit lang na puntahan, pwede nyo isend sa amin or comment or email nyo sa amin para
So that we can go and check it also.
mabisita namin.
Shoutout muna tayo mga pre. Shoutout to Freya Pircha. Shoutout to Marcio Ptial. To Redmond Samuel Oposa. To Medio Fitness. To Text to Skill. To Armando Brozos. To CV. To Abigail Duhapa. To Isi. Shoutout to Diane Roselyn Sin.
Shoutout sa inyo lahat mga pre. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pag-support nyo sa amin, pagla-like ng video namin and pag-share. Kung gusto nyo masama sa susunod na shoutout, make sure na i-like nyo lang lagi yung video namin and nakasubscribe kayo, pati pa-share na rin ng vlog. Maraming salamat mga pre. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod nating vlog. Paalam!